I've got the perfect holiday appetizer that's delicious and easy to make. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel and welcome to my holiday appetizer series. In this video, I'm making Bisquick sausage balls. These are easy to make but full of flavor, and I know they'll be a hit at your next holiday event. Welcome to the holiday appetizer series. If you missed the first video as part of the series, I'm going to link it in the iCards above and down in my description box. I made a classic artichoke dip. If you didn't see that video, go ahead and check it out. That dip came out really good. It's delicious, full of flavor, just like I know these Bisquick sausage balls are going to be. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you haven't subscribed already to the channel, I would love you to join the family here. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. And if you're a returning friend, welcome back. Thank you so much for all of your love and support and for coming back for another video. Let's go ahead and get started with these Bisquick sausage balls. Here are your ingredients. 1 pound of sausage. I'm using this Jimmy Dean premium pork sausage. 1/4 cup of milk, and I'm using 2% milk. This is about a teaspoon, a little bit more than a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. 2 cups of Bisquick baking mix. And then these 2 packages of sharp cheddar cheese is 2 cups per package, so that equals 4 cups. My oven's been preheated to 350 degrees. Let's get these in the oven for about 20 minutes. Pull out your favorite dipping sauce, whether it be ranch, barbecue sauce. I'm using honey mustard. I'll see